Good morning, myself Prahlad Bhadkar. Today I will explain the new topic that is related to gear only. That is one of the parameter comes as a path of contact. Okay. Before that one, I have taken as a mating of the two gears. First I have taken as a pinion. I will take it as a 1, wheel as a 2. Pinion, if you are considering as a clockwise direction, wheel automatically it comes as a anti-clockwise direction. R, small r and capital R, pitch circle radius of the pinion and wheel. Wheel also they will call it as gear also. Then small ra, capital Ra, that is a nothing but equal to addendum circle radius of the pinion and wheel respectively. Then I will take it as a path of contact, that is equal to CD. Path of approach, I will take it as a CP. Path of recess, I will take it as a PD. CD equal to CP plus PD. Then pi equal to, I will take it as a pressure angle. Then look at this one figure. I have taken as a single teeth. I have drawn 4 circles. That is, first is I have taken as a pitch circle. The radius is I have taken as a small r, capital R. Small r is the radius of the pinion. Capital R is the radius of the gear or wheel. Here, base circle, it comes below the pitch circle. I have taken as a base circle also. Then I have taken as a one more circle, that is addendum circle. It comes at the top. Okay, that is the radius is addendum radius is I have taken as a RA and capital RA. Then at bottom I have taken as a one more circle, that is a addendum circle. Okay, totally I have taken as a 4 circles with respect to one teeth. Then one more important thing, I have taken as a here A, that is the height of the addendum. Okay, addendum circle radius equal to, it comes as just R plus A. I can say that is a RA for the pinion. For gear, I can take it as capital R, pitch circle radius, addendum height. Then I'll take it as a RA. Both are the same. I hope that you got it. Then I'll draw the directly. Before that one, I'll draw the things. Path of contact, I'll represent the path of contact. Draw the line. Okay. Then I'll take it as a, I'll draw the pinion radius, pitch circle radius. Okay. That is, I'll draw that one. This is a pitch circle radius. I hope that this is a pitch circle radius of the pinion. Then you make it as a here center. I will represent as a, this is a A. Then I will take it as a one more circle, that is a for the wheel or the gear. Okay. Okay, I'll draw the pitch circle of the wheel. I hope that you are getting. Okay, then this is, I'll write it as a pitch circle. This is also, I'll write it as a pitch circle. Intersection of the pitch circle is nothing but a point, that is nothing but a P. I'll represent as a P, pitch point P. Then I'll write it as you make it as a circle point here. Then next is I will take it as a base circle. I will take it as a base circle as approximately of the pinion some centimeter. I will take it as a some centimeter, that is approximately I will take it as a 4 centimeter. This is a base circle of the pinion. Then for the gear also I will take it as a base circle approximately 6 centimeter. Dimension is not important, not a matters here. What do you, I want to say this one. This is a base circle. Here also written as a base circle. I hope that you got it. Then I'll write it as an addendum circle of the pinion. I'll take it as a 8 centimeter. You draw it, addendum circle. Okay, approximately this one. For this also, for gear also, I'll take it as a 10 centimeter. Okay, I hope that got it. This is addendum circle of the, I'll write it as, this is a addendum circle of the gear wheel. This is addendum circle of pinion. This is the radius is RA. This radius is what? Capital RA. Even I have shown here also. You take refer this one. Clearly you will get it. Then what I said? Line of action. I will come to the line of action. What the thing says? Line of action is should always tangent to base circle. I have said this also. You draw the tangent. Look at this one figure. Exactly little bit approximately. You draw exactly tangent to the base circle. This is a nothing but a line of action also. This is line of action means force exert on the another gear. This is a driver means the force exert in this direction. Driver is pinion. This is one direction. This is anti one more direction. I will take it as a, this is a 1. This is a 2. I hope that you got it. Then the intersection of the, look at this one. This is called as a line of action also. Now I'll come to the path of contact. Path of contact, where it starts. If you look at this one, look at the wheel addendum where intersect with the line of action means that is called as a point of engagement. Okay, then point of contact, point of engagement, we have to call it, that is we have to define it. Addendum of the wheel intersect with the line of action. that point is nothing but a point of engagement or point of contact. I will designate as a point C, that is a point of contact. Then how to call it as a point of disengagement? It is a point addendum of the width, addendum of the pinion intersect with the line of action. That is a point D. It is called as point of disengagement. Okay. Then total distance CD, CPD. That distance CD is called, here also I have written, CD is called as path of contact. Once again, they made as division in that length only, that is a path of approach, that is a distance CP, and path of recess, that distance PD. Okay, then the total length path of approach is equal to path of contact is equal to CP plus PD. Then one more designation I have taken as a pi is a pressure angle. We can say that is pressure angle. I'll draw the pressure angle also here. Where it makes a tangent this is nothing but a pressure angle. I'll take it as pi. Here also I'll draw that also. It is a tangent where it makes a tangent to the base circle. This is nothing but a pi angle. We can represent pi here also. Look at this one. We can represent the pi here also. By geometry, I can represent here also pi angle. By geometry, this pi are same. Okay, pi is a pressure angle. Okay, then I hope that you got it. This is I'll represent as a line of action E, F. Okay, this is an important figure. You have to remember this one. Okay, all the derivation is based on this only. Okay, that is path of contact, path of approach, path of recess, CD equal to CP plus PD. Okay, I hope that you got it. I stop here only.